Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Unreal Engine 5 preview versions. I'm going to show you step by step. Start from the browser. Now I not yet have any of the Epic Game Launcher. So I will go to my browser. And then here I'm going to search Unreal Engine 5 download. As usual, actually you will just go to here, and what you are going to download is the Epic Game Launcher. So I click here, the publishing license, I will choose the publishing license, click download now, and now it is going to download the Epic installer. Download. After it finished downloads, you can just open the folder. You can see this is my download folder under the program. The Epic installer 13.30, this is the one. Double click in, and then you are going to install the Epic Game Launcher. Click install. And now actually you can close your browser. It is automatically installed the DirectX at here. You just need to wait until it finishes. It will prompt you a few times. You need to use your Windows 10 administrator's account to just approve it. Now, it is going to verify the updates. This is an automatic process, and now you can see the Epic Game Launcher shortcut already on my desktop. But now actually it is just downloading the updates. You need to wait until it finishes download about 400 and something, about 400 to 500 MB of the updates. Once it's done already, you can see your Epic Game Launcher automatic start at here. You need to sign in by using your Google. If you already have other account, it's okay. You can sign in with Steam as well or Facebook. For me, I will sign in with my Google. It automatically will pop out my browser, and then actually in this browser my Epic account already logged in, so I just need to click continue, and then this automatic will refresh this page once you already sign in. Now it is signing in, preparing the Epic Game Launcher. And now everything ready. Alright, so in order to install the Unreal Engine 5 preview, what am I going to do is just go to the Unreal Engine and have a check at here. Now click install engine. It is automatic coming to here. This one you can just cancel it, don't install. Once you click install the engines, it is by default automatic asks you to install the Unreal Engine 4.27. So I don't want this. I just need to click plus and earlier versions here. So I choose the Unreal Engine 5.00 preview 2. Right, so install this, then click install. That is how am I going to install the Unreal Engine 5 preview. Then click install. This release is for testing only. This is for you to install the preview versions. Click install. And then this is your directory to install the Unreal Engine 5 preview version. You can choose to create a shortcut on the desktop, and then here click install. Now it is downloading, so you need to wait. And now initializing. Later you can see how many percent it downloads. Right, for this 4.27.2, this one I don't want, I just remove it and install. Now it is just left the Unreal Engine 5.00 preview. It is about 20.1 gigabytes, and now it is just start to install. You need to wait until it finish. Now once it finished downloads, you can see it already have a shortcut. This is a Unreal Engine 5 preview. The shortcut already on my desktop, and here you can see a launch. So for next time, when you open your Epic Game Launcher, if you want to launch from here, you also can just go to the library or just click the Unreal Engine. Here you can just launch it. If you have different version, you can choose from here. This is the Unreal Engine 5 preview. If I double click it, it is going to launch. If this is the first time you open, you have to click allow access. Now it is initializing. You have one more to allow access. It is going to pop up. Right now, this is the Unreal Engine 5 preview. If you want to create a new game, just click the game. And then, as demo, I will choose third person. The project name, I will just name it as Unreal Engine 5 Preview Demo 01. Just have a look. Now you can see this is the template. I try to play. This is the Unreal Engine 5 preview template. Right. They have so many physics. It is really awesome. Now this is the way how to install the Unreal Engine 5 preview. Now I'm going to close it, and I may want to call out some of the windows. It should be here. Play sector, window, content browser. Right. All of these are quite useful for your game developing. Okay, that's all for today about how to install the Unreal Engine 5 preview. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy, happy animation and game developing. See you.